Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Preston Makan Street Fighter video. And today we will review this Cockroach Trap Roach Trapper device, which I bought from Mr. DIY for 5 ringgit 90 cents or around $1.50 US. So this is a very environmentally friendly roach trapper. As you can see in the description, it can catch up to 10 roaches. So how it works is, you open the box, you put some bait inside, usually breadcrumbs or biscuit crumb, and you close the top part. And after you close the top part, it will attract the roaches to go inside. So what happened is, there is 2 layers. The first layer, it will go in where the door will stick down, and it will come up when the cockroach try to go in, and they cannot go out because it's a 45-degree angle trap. Okay, so the metal strip can go up, but once it go in, it cannot go back the other way around, so the cockroach is trapped. So I bought this and I have already used this, so there is no poison involved. So after you finish catching all the cockroach, you are supposed to open the box and throw all the cockroach and then reuse it. So $1.50 US, and patent number is right here. A very cheap solution. So I put the cockroach bait yesterday, and let's see what we have today. Here. So I already tried last night, and from trying last night, I managed to catch 3 cockroaches here. Oh my god, so many. So as you see, I'm under the hot sun now. This guy at the top right corner, he seems like he is dead. And there are 2 pieces of the cockroach shit, which I think the cockroach shit himself to death. You can see right in the middle, there is the biscuit crumb, which I put, so that is the bait for them to go in. And then you see the metal door. The metal door, you can go in. It opens one side, but it cannot open the other side. Okay? So at the left corner here, we have 2 cockroaches, which are still alive. They are about finger-sized cockroaches. So this guy here, he is trying to get out, but he cannot get out until now, and he is still struggling and moving very hard. Oh, you can see his body is very disgusting. So I will keep them here for the whole afternoon and see if the sun can cook and fry them alive. Oh, this guy is moving. So we have total 3 cockroaches caught from one night. Okay, I will update you later. Thank you very much. Okay, welcome back. Now we will go to the night time of the second day. This survivor out of the 3 is the last one to survive, but it is not as active as the daytime, probably because it has lost a lot of moisture. The disgusting thing is, if you look at the antenna, this little guy has very long antenna, and I've seen it clean its antenna several times. Okay, and its antenna is so long that it doesn't have enough space to let it loose free. So this little guy is still trying very hard to escape. As you can see, this design is such that when the cockroach enters the corner, it has no idea that it is stuck there. And you see at the bottom half there is one way in, and the top half another way to the higher level. So once it is at the higher level, it is almost impossible to get out. Okay, here's the disgusting part. This guy, the last survivor, is eating the ass of its dead friend. So it's starting to chew up, and as you can see, this dead cockroach has lost one leg. Maybe not from this angle. From this angle, one leg, its bottom left leg, has already been cut off. So yeah, very, very disgusting. For your viewing pleasure, I will update you on the 10th day and see what happens. Okay, we are back on day 10. Okay, as you can see, now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cockroaches, but you might only see 11 and a half bodies because it seems like one of the cockroaches has been eaten up by the other cockroaches. So by my observation, there should be at least 12. You can see that the biscuit crumbs in the middle are all gone. And now I will show you the zoom part. Okay, look at this cockroach. It has lost half its body because it has been eaten up. So half at the bottom, and the other half at the top. So it seems like the hot sun has cooked them up, and there is only one survivor left, which is at the most right side, standing on top of 4 of its dead friends, and one more at the bottom. And that's it. I hope you will enjoy this product. Please subscribe for more. Thank you for viewing this disgusting video. Bye bye.